that I'm really pleased about today is what we saw of the Long March and the service group coming together. I remember very fondly when we did the opening ceremony right in Lahore where the project was introduced. And in those days, everyone seemed, wow, a big investment is coming into Pakistan from China. Will it go through? Will it not? Etc., etc. And here we are today celebrating their success, and their plant is now ready for operations. And what a wonderful project, because not only is it import substitution, but it is also exports from Pakistan. Chinese and Pakistanis getting together to put up a project and export to the Western world, including America. So it is a big moment, and I really feel Allah kare a day comes when we will be celebrating these type of openings every day, and then our economy moves forward. Today we've heard the BOI, we've heard Khalid Mansour give a lot of things, we've heard the Sindh Chief Secretary, so I will not go over what they have said, but only to say that honestly now, after you hear all this, the building blocks to economic growth, rapid economic growth, are now all, inshallah and alhamdulillah, coming into place. We are seeing these structures. Through CPEC, through the cooperation of the Chinese government, we got out of our power difficulties, and we have substantially improved our infrastructure. With that in mind, what openings, what opportunities does it give us? They have mentioned many projects, many opportunities. I will not talk about that. I'll give a different angle to this opportunity that we have. And that opportunity is regional connectivity. We have the infrastructure now, and what we did was, under the vision by the Prime Minister, that we want regional connectivity with our northern neighbors. So we've gone forward, and I'm very happy to say that next Monday, 21st of March, inshallah, for the first time in our history, Pakistani trucks can go into Afghanistan, go into Uzbekistan. Uzbek trucks will come into Pakistan, Afghani trucks will come into Pakistan, and this is the beginning, a step towards regional connectivity. If trucks in Portugal can go through Spain, France, Germany, and end up in the Netherlands, why can't our trucks grow from here straight through to Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and beyond? We have put the transit trade agreement in place, the trucking in place, the custom unions are integrated, valuation agreements have been integrated. So now we are all set. And this big step is starting next Monday. Why am I so excited about the Central Asian republics? Central Asian republics are a population of 72 million. They do trade of 800 billion. And just on the sympathy of we're moving together, no agreements were signed, and during that period, our exports to the Central Asian republics grew by 147%. So it just shows the type of opportunities we have. So now, and the thing that has not been talked about, and I want to mention a little bit, so that means we get it in the right framework for our Chinese partners and our Pakistanis. The guiding principle Khalid Mansoor did mention, and I want to re-emphasize it, this investment through CPEC is not China-specific. Everybody can come forward, and we've discussed this very thing at the highest level in China, and also they were agreeing. So, ladies and gentlemen, what are the guiding principles that we've been trying to move for the last 3 years? And I honestly feel that it is beginning to show results substantially. One of the principles was move away from being a trading economy to a manufacturing economy. We do not want just import of finished goods and use that as the engine of growth for our GDP. No. We want import substitution, and through that, make in Pakistan. We must make in Pakistan, and then once we have made in Pakistan, it's an export-led growth strategy. We must export, export, export. That is our long-term survival, and I'm happy to say we're all seeing the results of our export-driven policy. That inshallah, last year we broke the record of our exports, and inshallah this year we will break the record again. We are on the right track. The export results of March this month are going to be pivotal, and I am very optimistic that we will have.
मैं समझता हूं कि ये जो तरीका